Nigerian guy. He traveled all the way from Scotland. Then he traveled to England to go meet one girl, 30 years old girl. What do you think say e dey under, my people? I bring this matter for una table so that no una drop una own opinion. What do you think about it? Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, I appreciate every one of you. Please, if you like what I do, please do where to subscribe. Okay, I will really appreciate all my returning. God will bless you guys. Or I'm loyal for all your support. Yes, una daughter, una sister, I'm so loyal. Yes, let me dive to this our brother for Scotland. Yes. He said, according to him, they said the sex and chat he exposed, that is, he leaked out. The sex chat, Nigeria arrested for traveling from Scotland to England to surprise a 30 years old girl. Is it your relation? Now, wait till me want ask. I'll put the video first, may una watch before we will start to drop our own opinion. Wait till you think, let's dive. Yes, now.
She'll be 14 on Tuesday.
Yeah, she has a birthday on Tuesday.
Don't shout at me. What do they call people like you?
What?
What do they call people like you?
I'm not here for anything. I'm just going to take her half a birthday. She has a birthday on Tuesday.
Right. This says different. Yeah. So what I'm going to do...
She has a birthday on Tuesday. That's what I'm here.
She has a what?
My people, I hope I don't watch this one. My people, this guy when he travel all the way from Scotland, no, they call it Scotland to England. Now, really sure say now because of friend, I make he travel. Because first of all, they say he says message, chat, he open, he don't expose. Then they claim say the girl want to birthday. Now I make he want travel all the way from Scotland to England to go surprise him. Then this girl when you want surprise, so no be Africa picking no. No be a relation. No be your cousin they never surprise us since you went inside Europe. Oh. No be your cousin, oh. No be your nephew, your niece, your this, oh. You just come all the way from Scotland. They go England. You want to go surprise a 13 years old girl. Why small girl they enter on her eye? Why? Because of our papa and work. That one in Nigeria. Hey, you forget. Oh, sorry. Oh, I don't know. This is our brother. Hey, me when I wake up say, no be Naija, my country. Na ide genge. Problem too much of this life. Oh, maybe the dream. Maybe say na Nigeria. They don't know say they. Na no nonsense country. Na ide UK for that matter. Me I see that way. Me I balance. Me I knock am the Tory. It say they Naija. I want to join my mates because I believe say our net won't go. If they are Regina Daniel, my sister, sorry now. Something like this, I must bring you in now. Don't say no be that time when your husband say marriage, you say they are you. Your husband know they are you before you don't reach 18 years, just grab you, just marry you. Like all the day, don't say all the day now so that they do one. Like this our brother. So it is in Nigeria, they don't know say now country of no nonsense. You don't dare them. You don't dare mess their small children or their citizens. It shock you. Go and try it again. When you say, I want to surprise them, it relates to you. Near me here. It relates to you. When you travel all the way from Scotland, go meet a 13 years old pikin. Shame on you. My people, now the news why I say be that, he can't claim now, say, can't say the girl, papa. Which person wants to sit down? Say maybe now first we know you now understand. Now we know who say people like our color. Hey, you just dance. Enter problem. You're bad and person when a not sense person or a person when not just send us. Some people they not send this our color. And our color want go chop her daughter. You see her for internet. You just chat her up. You want go knock her back. You want go surprise her. Surprise her for what now? If you don't get interest, what you the surprise for? What you the surprise for? You know, I've been at your backyard, now they stay that time when you come live. Okay, now you call live. They give papa one chop and raw. He say one surprise. When they call, he tell and say he says tape. That is not be he chat tape. He expose. He can't the stammer. Yes, we don't talk. The remaining of folks, when they outside, you they into something like this, my brother. You they into something like this is very wrong. 13 years old girl. If now your neighbor, now greet you get for her. Yes. Greet them enter your house. You dey another man country. Forget say you get Bali. You know, see this our color. They know us as Africa. Now every day now I tell my children, you are Africa. You are Africa, Papa, Mama, Africa. Whether you get Bali, you are Africa. They know you as Africa. If they want to call America city, they'll say Black America. You see that? There is black French for here too. Yeah, Black Africa. Because Europe now white. England now white. You are Black Africa. Why you just a dance that 30 years old speaking? You say you want to go and surprise them. Surprise them for what? It relates to you. If you dey out there and you they do this thing, be very careful. Come out your hand immediately. As they catch your partner now, you when you dey outside, run. Come out your hand before water will pass Gary. Maybe at this guy they do and they say they sweeter and they sweeter and they sweeter and they sweeter and they sweeter. You just go dance, enter problem. Europe, England, America, those words, they not be Africa, oh, they not be Nigeria. When you just say you just do something, you just get out of the thing. You just do anyhow. Anyhow, no, see you anyhow, but you do anyhow here, you see anyhow. If you dey into that, remove your hand. Follow mature woman. If you want to date, follow mature woman. Not follow underage. Underage, you will go prison. Because of France, doesn't say many people they don't go prison. I don't forget how many years they don't put another 14, I'll be 15. They don't reduce them from 18 years to 15 years because a lot of children they quit they mature. A lot of children they say the case went full court. The case they quit they mature. Then Macron, is it Macron time? Yes, Macron come bring them down. Yes, they don't bring the about age. So be like saying for 15 years. Yeah, be like saying 15 years. Once they get reach 15 years, she's entitled to date. You understand? If you dey out there, not try and this our brother don't receive sense now. It not relate to you. As far as say you not relate. If you say you want near around, maybe you want play with all those kind of children. Whether a papa and a mama now be family friend. You see, family friend. There is difference between family friend and only you want job be the friend of that girl. It's totally wrong. It's wrong. Oh, be very careful. Meanwhile, even be African and they stay for France. Imagine my pikin how many years? Person, whether fresh or black. I ask where we for relate. Which kind problem be this? If you know agreement spoil you, no spoil another person you. How you go to get a sex chat with the 20 years old pikin? If you feel mature, you for not do one. Yes. And secondly, una children they social media. Me una see they protect her. Me una see they protect her. Maybe the pikin now he big. Maybe as he don't big like me now and mature. Maybe the guy say now 30 years or na 50 years. Never see some girls, some small girls when they will mature, it will be like na 30 years or na 20 years. But you man, before you date any girl, tell them their residents, their national, their passport, their age, they inside. Now they say, it'll be this one. As they born there, their paper, they don't fit change them. For the whole world, they can't change it, they can't do anything. Okay? Collect sense. So if you dey out there, they do one collect sense. This is our brother now, they don't pocket shop for one crick. They look at nya. Yes, now this one get to talk. Yes, as no one made the spoil, no spoil another person. Okay, 30 years is too small for you to go surprise her. She's too small. Whether Oibo or Daki, she's too small. Okay, she's totally small. Then face the law. Now country when you did, no nonsense country. Now this one they pray. Oh, Papa God, let my country be like this. Yes, if my country be like this, it will be very, very good. Okay. I just get to talk, my people. Drop your opinion. Is it good as this guy goes surprise 13 years old girl? Why? It relates to her. Whether it good, let me see your comment in the comment section. Yeah, drop your comment in the comment section. If not good, still drop your comment in the comment section. Okay? I'll see you in my next video. Please do well to subscribe. All my returning, God will bless you guys. Oh, I really do appreciate. Everybody will call my premiere today, Monday. I read 2023. 9. I appreciate all of you. I appreciate. I not feel right that time. Now say my home premiere are not fit. I really do appreciate. God will bless every one of you. Yes, I appreciate. Kiss. See you now in my next.
I'm here to see Sophie.
Listen, don't matter about names. I won't be shit.
Huh?
I won't be shit.
She'll be 15 on Tuesday.
No, she'll be 15 on Tuesday.
She'll be 14 on Tuesday, sorry.
Yeah, she'll be 14 on Tuesday.
Yeah, she has a birthday on Tuesday. That's
Listen, don't shout at me. What do they call people like you?
What?
What do they call people like you?
I'm not here for anything. I'm just going to take her half a birthday. She has a birthday on Tuesday.
Right. This says different. Yeah. So what I'm going to do...
She has a birthday on Tuesday. That's why I'm here.
She has a what?
A birthday on Tuesday. That's why I'm here.
Listen,
I'm just here to surprise her. That's all.
You're not here to surprise her. You're here to have fucking sex with her. All right. Yeah. Do you know what they call people like you?
Sex.
Dirty bastards. Yeah.
Why would I do that when it's 16 years
You're
old?
a fucking bully.
For 14 years old?
Yeah. Exactly. Why would you do it?
Why?
Right. Quit your jibber jabber. Right. Listen. Why are you asking her to tell the child to masturbate with 2 fingers and put them really deep inside her?
Fucking hell.
Why? Why? If you're just talking to her.
Now everybody go to breakfast.